welcome to my video on last post hacks. Because the Anzac Day is coming up very soon, I'm sure a lot of you are wanting to get out there and play the last post. However, it goes quite high and that can be really scary for some people. If you don't feel like you're good enough at your high notes just yet, please don't be discouraged. There are different ways that we can get around it so that you can still play the last post on Anzac Day.
Music lessons with Miss Westwood. Yay!
So as you may know, the last post is traditionally played on a bugle, which is like a trumpet that has no valves. Because of this, we don't actually need to push any valves down for the whole song. The first two notes of the last post are C, G, and it sounds like this. If you can play those two notes, that's excellent, but you also do know that it goes a lot higher later on in the piece. If you don't feel comfortable playing that high G just yet, what you can do is play the whole song as normal, except you'll put some fingers down. If the G is really close, but you're just not there yet, try playing the whole song with just your middle finger down. This will mean instead of playing C, G, you're technically playing B, F sharp, and it'll sound like this. So if that's still too high, take it another note down and put your first finger down. So you'll be starting B flat, F. If that's a little bit easier but is still a little bit rocky, why not try fingers 1 and 2? That will mean you start technically A, E. If you have found any of those combinations helpful, make sure you keep them down for the whole song. When you do go to play the last post, it can be really scary because traditionally everyone around you is quiet and you're the only person making noise. Because of this, make sure you don't rush yourself. When you get ready to play it, take a big deep breath, get nice and comfy, and then lift your trumpet up. Once your trumpet's up, take another deep breath and really think about that starting note. If you're starting on 1 and 2, this might be how you start it. And finally, once you're done, the best thing you can do after you've played that last note is freeze. Not only does it look good and it's respectful, but it makes you sound really good and ensures that your sound is going to echo really nicely around whatever space you're in. And that's all there is to it. Keep working on your last post, and just remember, trumpet is a really hard instrument, so if you do accidentally split a couple of notes, don't stress. It's the thought that counts, and everyone will be proud of you regardless of what you do. Good luck with all of it. I'll see you later.